Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a completed art journal. This is a delusion journal. Well, I should say it was a delusion art journal. This is how it started to look. This is how I start out. This is how I finish. I'm rough on my art journals, but you know what? Let's make some fun. I like to get them thick and bulky, and before some places I have to tape the pages back in. But cover, I just did a cover. And if I get like stuff on, usually the covers are the last thing I painted. This time I painted it in between. But as you can see, it's got other little markings on that I picked up from art journal, and I don't care. It's an art journal. So I started this, I want to say at the beginning of January, and now it is April, so, and I probably would have had this done quick, faster, but life happens. When you open it, you see where I tested my paint pens on the side here, and I just left it. I thought it kind of looked cool, looked grungy. I just added some paint colors down here. I wrote, let's start here. This was a business envelope that I was using in between my pages, and I just glued it on the cover. I thought I liked how it looked grunge. I was like, sometimes your grunge papers, like this one, look better than the actual pages, and I was like, oh, that looks cool. So I just glued it on the cover. And when you open it, it's just a neon color background, and I put some images. There's a lot of Etsy images in this one. Like, this is off Etsy. This is Art by Marlene. Allie did this one. This is I don't know where I found her, but I thought she was cute. So, and the fact that Alice and Alice right there. So, and then I want to do just an art journal of just backgrounds. Put no images on them at all, because I love doing backgrounds. Now, this image here, I printed it on some dictionary paper. I can get it done in my printer if I do a trick, so it works. And this one was a nightmare. I love the background, but when I did the lettering, I screwed up the lettering. So I went with the colors, but you couldn't read it, so I went back over it with black. It's kind of busy, but I like it. This is the illusion stencils I have, and actually the illusion ruler. Excuse me. Then my poor Lucy went to the Rainbow Bridge, so I did a little memory layout in here. And this is one of those pages where you can see, and the back. I tried a lot of different techniques and stuff in this. Like, this is vellum. I don't care for vellum because I can't, but I found out I shouldn't say I don't care for vellum. I like vellum, but gluing it is an issue because this one really got ripped up. So I found a different way to do it. Because you see the little lines in here up close, you can see those little jagged lines in there. That's my glue on the vellum. I didn't like that, so Crossby Teresa told me to use a glue stick, so I think I started using a glue stick down the road. Just did a plain one, a black and white. I get in one of those modes where I just want to doodle or just do something. So that was this. Here's another one where I did the green, and I guarantee if I would have did black, it would have turned out better. And we'll see. Yep. I'll come back and redo this one. So, lesson learned. And another page you can see through. It's one of my favorite pages. This is where I had to tape the book. And I did this. These are the new Diane Wakely transparencies. So I did 2 of the little tags. I made a half page, and that is the Delusion Ruler. And I got them down here. It's one of my favorite pages as well. These are the new stencils by Dina Wakely. These are stencils by the gal off the joggles. I can't remember her name right, but you got 4 of them. I thought they were neat. I like how she looks in this one, but I really like how it's coming through the greens and the grays and how I did that. I love to hear that stickiness between the pages. It's a new stamp I got. I thought that actually it's not even new. It's from 2011. It's a Dina Wakely stamp, and I found it on eBay. And I thought it was so cool, so I grabbed it. And here's that other half of the one that I cut out previous. I just added it to another page. I taped it in. Another vellum piece. I like how it looks on this one though. I'm a busybody backgrounder. I come to realize I don't know when to stop. But I like them. This was a mess up background. I messed it up, so I added some black because I was trying to write this. And no, I was trying to write something else and it didn't fit. So I had the writing, but I couldn't finish it. So I took black, I took a stencil, put it on there, put black on it because I was writing in black. And then I kind of put it on there and then I wiped it off. And you could see the colors in the background a little bit. But I splattered a little too much white on here. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. You know. The flower. I tried to get it center, but enough, just a little bit from this flower in the background. But oh well, this one I just left plain. I didn't add anything to it. You get that cool look through the flower. This is me trying to do my own flower. I didn't think I did that bad. I don't draw, so These are my scrap sheets where I use them to press down in between. So I printed off on them. This was one I did a while ago. I printed it off on it. I screwed up the eyes, see? I can't do eyes either, so that's why. Not everything's always pretty. Look inside, not outside. And then I wrote, I think I see pink and purple. Look else. And this is what I was trying to write back. Oh, it is. How far do I have to back? Here. I was trying to write this saying here, and guess what? I almost didn't make it. I'm right too big. I start big. But I like the saying. It says you can rise up from anything. You can completely recreate yourself. No thing is permanent. You're not stuck. You're not stuck. You have a choice. You can think new thoughts. You can learn something new. You can create a new habits. All that matters is that you decide today, never look back. Yeah, I'm gonna redo this, but I'm gonna take a ruler so I can get it all in there and tidy. And then the last page, the end. And then this is also that envelope I was talking about. This is me just using it as a buffer. And I thought, oh my God, that looked so pretty. So I put it as my back cover. So that is a complete journal. I think I started in the middle of January. I'm not positive. I could go look. I usually write the date. Did I write? Yeah, and I didn't on the little thing start to finish. And if for some reason I didn't do it in this one. So I don't know exactly when I started this, but I guarantee it's probably in a video. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I did start a new one. I'll show you that real quick. This is a new one I got for my birthday from Scott. This is a Dana Winkley journal. It's smaller, and this is one I'm going to start working in. Just simple background, the translucent. I think I did this live. Got a lot of air in it, but it's cool. One of my favorite pages. And this is where I am right now. Because the way this one works, it's jean material. And then this heavy art journaling paper. Oh, jean material. And this is burlap. This is burlap that's right here. So, this is the jean material one right here. So, it's kind of a neat, unique art journal. So, but that's where I am with the new one I'm going to be working in. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.